morning! We are here to show you on how to make ham roll. But all of my group mates didn't come. So I am the one who will show you on how to cook. Before I will tell you on how to cook ham roll, first I will show you up the ingredients.
First, the tasty. The second one is the cheese. And the third one is the ham. First, we are going to remove the sides of a bread. Second, we will going to use a glass to flatten the bread, but make sure that the glass is washed. Third, we are going to get a ham and put it into the tasty. Then we're going to roll it over. Fourth, we're going to put some delicious cheese into the ham roll. Go. Fifth, we're going to put the ham roll into the frying pan with oil. Go. The final step is get the ham roll and put it into any plate you want.
Action. Go.
That's all. I hope you learned something.